Welcome back to our channel. We're going back to the lake.
Yep.
Brandon's sweating today because he got the boat ready. It's hot today. We're going out.
Outside.
We're going to pick up pizza.
Take home buckhorn with us and eat it.
You guys haven't figured it out yet, we post every single Thursday. Don't miss a video. You got to subscribe.
Yep. So stay tuned, y'all.
We'll see y'all at the lake.
I gotta jack this AC back up.
I thought I was recording, but I won't record it. It's busy today. Alright, we got to get everything going. Ready? I'm making him take this down at some point.
Yeah, if I had stuff to take it down with, I would. I'm gonna eat. I'm hungry.
Starving.
Very good. Y'all seen us do breakfast out here? I want to see what y'all think about doing a catch and cook out here.
We'll be out here a while trying to catch some fish.
Might try to catch something a little bit for y'all and save it for
Do something.
yeah, save it. Kids won't catch nothing, we can't cook it fresh. We'll save it to bring out here and cook. But ideal to catch it and cook it.
We want to camp out here, but it's not exactly allowed. But that doesn't mean we can't try.
Really bring. I ain't even got my tackle box in here. I got the fishing poles, not even tackle box. The truck doesn't have a tackle box. But I'm gonna try something. Worm's been on here. Just gonna leave it, but we're gonna put a bunch of crust on here.
That crust is gonna be gone.
Little fish are definitely gonna nibble it off, but we want a catfish on there. We're just gonna coat it all up in there. And no, nibble it off. That's gonna bring something because it's gonna be greasy.
We're gonna get the baby fish.
See what we can do, y'all. I'm just gonna drop it out inside the boat. See if we get any luck. If so, I'll get back to y'all if I can get it untangled. Get back to it. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's throw it in. Would y'all eat it? Got a little bit of weight to it now.
Ugh.
There we go. About 15 feet off the boat. Sit it back here and
While we wait.
while we wait, and we hydrate.
Off a Sprite.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's hydrating. Brandon found a knife. I'm holding this thing up. He's convinced that he can undo that thing with that knife. You good?
As long as that thing don't fall on my head, I'm good.
I got it.
I got one, y'all. I don't know what it is.
Oh.
Catfish, y'all.
No way.
Yep. I can get him in the boat. In my net.
Where is it?
Look at that, y'all.
Oh.
Whew.
He's big.
Perfect eating, baby. Let's get it.
I guess bread does work.
I knew it, y'all. Look at there, y'all. How about that? Hold that fish. I gotta get the hook out. I was not expecting to catch one out of there. Ain't got nothing with me ready. Oh, I do got my cleaning stuff in here. That's good.
We'll come prepared next time, y'all.
All right, y'all. I'm about to clean it for y'all.
To move y'all.
trying to get this seat off for her. You can be careful with that.
I know.
And
I was trying
saw
to.
the fishing pole just dangling down. So I'm figure out how I'm gonna kill him. And
We might have dinner now.
yeah. If I had something to start up and cook with, I would for y'all. But
We weren't prepared. Dang. We really could have done our catch and cook.
yeah, but I ain't had to grill it.
I know. We'll be prepared
I'm
next
gonna
time.
clean them up, get some fillets.
Really close. Stop. There's nothing on it.
There's this one there.
Well,
I'm just gonna throw it out. Okay, I cannot have him to flop. I got to figure out how I want to kill him. Well, we can bring
he's
it
in
Sunday.
here now.
Alright, y'all. Well, that's the first time I've skinned a catfish in a long time, y'all.
We haven't been out here
Not at
where
all.
it's busy and going fishing and.
It's busy today,
Oh
y'all.
God, you smell like fish.
I know, that's not fish. But, bread works. I think I might just catch and release now. If we catch it.
This was not the type of catch and cook we were hoping for.
Yeah,
but,
yeah,
you
we was
know.
hoping for that another video the next Thursday.
And we
hoping
wanted
for
to
that.
cook on the boat and like.
I ain't got the stuff to cook anything with. Alrighty, y'all. We rode around for a little bit.
Gonna try some pizza crust again.
Yeah, Melissa's gonna hand it to me because I don't get a fishy.
Get the pizza fishy.
I don't want that. Alright, y'all. Let's take two. Try this again. Alright, y'all. While we wait, we hydrate this time with water.
We actual.
Yeah.
We got no fishies. And oh, there's the bread. The bread fell off.
Oh well, we got one fish. It's good enough for me.
Wish I had that on video. He just threw my fishing pole and threw the line back into the boat. What's your fishing for? Freaking waves are killing me. Go home.
Fishing now, y'all. Again. See if we can catch anything right here at the edge of dark.
Maybe I should bite now.
Here we go.
Scared to get a bite?
Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one, y'all. It's a big one. It's big. Oh, he got loose.
No.
He got off. He stuck his nose with a stick, I think.
You are the worst. Not funny. You made me get up for nothing. Uncool.
Oh, that's good.
You're the worst.
Oh. Oh, I got her good there, y'all.
You're messing up my fishing.
Get yours off again. Got it?
Cute.
I might snap yours too.
No.
Mine just snapped.
This is not what was supposed to happen. We'll try to do an actual catch and cook video
That way I
out here.
can catch it and actually eat it that one time.
Yeah.
Clean it and cook it. I'll have everything for that next time.
We'll be
Prepared.
ready.
I'll have everything like some water to get off the boat and clean with. I'll have everything ready. Put it that way. Alright, y'all. It wraps up here for this video. But if y'all like seeing more videos on the boat like this, this was supposed to be eating pizza out here on the boat, but it came into
Catching fish.
I hate fish, but
We're getting prepared.
I only threw the pole out twice, y'all.
Practicing.
Only twice. Caught it on the first cast.
Yeah.
So, but if y'all like seeing more videos,
Comment if y'all want to see more lake videos, and
we plan on making a bunch out here for y'all. But
yeah,
like always,
like and
subscribe.
subscribe.